Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Glandaji Vidyapit, standard 4th. So, students, in the unit number 2, हम लोगों ने word problems complete किए, right? In the previous lecture, we did the word problems. So, now today we'll start the framing word problems. So, before starting that sums, I'll show you some CRL, and that CRL I explain you, so you can easily do this sum. So, let's start that framing word problems, CRL. In a unit number 1, framing word problems in your notebook using the given numbers and keywords. So whenever you all start the framing word problem, so that the identifications is there is a numbers and keywords given in your word problems. Okay, so here numbers and keywords is equal to 35,677 adult and 28,492 children are there. So what we have to do, students? So first of all we have to follow some steps. So that is a step number 1 is take any two numbers that represent a quantity you want to see. So first of all we have to select any two numbers. So numbers is, which is the numbers are here. So here is a 35,677 adults and the 28,490 children are there. So in that choose any additions keywords from, so add, join, total, all, sum, together, combine. So how we find the addition? Now this sum is what we have to do in this word problems, framing word problems. How we find identify that this word problems is addition and subtraction. So here is some keywords are there. If in a question there is keywords like that, add, join, total, in all, sum, together, combine, increase, all together. If you all are seeing these types of words, so this is the keywords of the addition. These types of words, if you are seen, then that means we have to do the addition. What we have to do, students? We have to do the addition. Okay, so here first of all we have to do the choose the addition. So in a question here is a written that total. Keywords is a total. Okay, now I'll repeat the questions once again. Framing word problems in your notebook using the given number, keywords and numbers. So here 35,677 adults and 28,492 children are there. So keywords is a total. First of all we have to find the numbers, and second things we have to find the keywords. Then students, using the numbers and keywords to make a question. Now we have to make the question. The order is not important, but we have to make the question. So here is a question. Now हमें इसमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to make the question. So here is a question like that. There are 35,677 adults and 28,492 children in the stadium. Find the total number of the peoples in the stadiums. Now हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to find the total number of the children. Okay, so 3 steps. हमने कौन से 3 steps किए in this sums? First of all we have to find the numbers and keywords in our book. Then here is the keywords total. The second things we have to find the keywords, and then we have to make the question. What we have to do? We have to make the question. Normally word problems में हम क्या करते थे? We have to find the numbers, keywords, then what they are asking we have to find that, then we have to draw the boxes, and then we have to find the which operation will do, and in the last we have to do the solution. But here first of all we have to find the numbers and keywords, that things we have to find, and then we have to make the question. So question, we are having the question. Now here is 2 types of questions are there. Whatever questions you have to make yourself, so whatever questions, that is okay, but here that you have to fix your mind. Here you have to do the make the questions and do the addition. So that types questions you have to make here. Okay, so in that here is a question is first one question, there are the 28,492 children and 35,677 adults in a stadium. Find the total number of the people in the stadium. This is the first one question. Now here same questions like that first, but in the first we have to write like that. There are the 35,677 adults and 28,492 children in a stadium. Find the total number of the people. Last sentence are same. Okay. Then students, so here our question is completed. So 3 steps we have to follow and then we have to write the question. Okay. So students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next CRL. Okay students, now I'll show you framing word problems video. That video in the late school, so that video I'll show you. You have to look at this video. So let's start this video.
Framing word problems. Hello students. Let's learn more about framing word problems. We have 2 numbers and a keyword here. Can we form a word problem using the numbers and the keyword given? Yes, we can form an addition word problem using these numbers and the keyword by following these 3 steps. Likewise, can we form a subtraction word problem? Let us find out. Here are the 2 numbers given to us. Let us use them to frame a subtraction word problem. Do you remember the first step to frame a word problem? Take the 2 numbers that represent the quantity we want to use. 35,607.
Okay students, so in the previous CRL we'll see we watch that additions framing word problems, right? Addition framing word problems of the addition. But in this here we have to find the subtraction word problems. In that word problems, in the question here is the 2 things are here, numbers and keywords. Numbers and keywords are here. In that numbers is 35,677 and 28,492, and step number 1 is take the 2 numbers that represent the quantity you want to use. हमें जो quantity numbers की use करनी है, that we have to find. So that quantity is 35,677 mangoes and 28,492 mangoes are there. Both the things are here. Now let's start.
37 and 28,492 are the 2 numbers representing the quantity of mangoes. What should we do next? Correct. The next step is to choose the.
Now our next step is we have to choose the subtraction keywords. In these questions we have to find the subtractions keyword. So let's see that.
Subtraction keyword. Can you see that we have different keywords to choose from for a subtraction word problem? We can choose any of these keywords. So let us choose.
Okay students, now like addition में जैसे हमने देखा था, like that only additions के जैसे हमने keywords find किए थे, like that in this subtractions also having that on keywords So here is a keywords like that: less than, take away, remain, different, left, gave away, deduct, then how many, more, and less than. So when you see in the questions keywords like that: less than, take away, remain, difference, left, give away, deduct, how many, how more, how less than, at the times you have to do the subtractions. So let's choose the keywords of the subtraction. So here we have
away
to
and left. The final step is to frame the subtraction.
we have to use the take away, and then here is the final step is use the numbers and keywords and frame the questions. So अभी हमें क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to use the numbers and keywords. This one is the numbers and keywords, and then we have to make the question.
Word problem using these numbers and keywords. But while framing a subtraction word problem, we should keep in mind that the order of the numbers is always important. The smaller number should be subtracted from the bigger number. This means here we should be subtracting.
Okay students, the order is the importance. The smaller number should be separate from the bigger number. So whenever you have to make the framing question, at the times you have to identify that things that smaller number should be separate with the bigger number. That means smaller number है वो bigger number के साथ minus होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Like this 35,677, 28,492, like that. So let's see.
The smaller number 28,492 from the bigger number 35,677. Now keeping these steps in mind, a sample question we can frame is: there were 35,677 mangoes in the market. 28,492 mangoes were taken away. How many mangoes are left?
So students, here is a word problems. We have to write like that. There are the 35,677 mangoes in the market. 28,492 mangoes are take away. That means market में total mangoes कितने थे? 35,677. उसमें से हमने कितने ले लिया? How many are there? 28,492. Take away. So how many mangoes are left? अभी कितने mangoes बचे? That we have to find. So this is called the framing word problems.
We were able to frame a word problem for subtraction too. Now you can ask your friends to solve the word problem you frame. Let's quickly recap the steps of framing subtraction word problems. Ready? The first step is to take the two numbers that represent the quantity you want to use. The next step is to choose a subtraction keyword. You can choose any of these keywords. And the final step is to use the numbers and keywords to make a question. The question is: there are 35,677 mangoes in the market. 28,492 mangoes are taken away. How many mangoes are left? But always keep in mind the order of the numbers, which is important. This means that the smaller number should be subtracted from the bigger number. Goodbye and happy learning.
Okay students, so here our CRL is completed. Okay, now we'll start the worksheet number 6. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 6. In that worksheet, here is how to frame the addition word problems that here is showing to us. Okay, now here is some steps we have to follow, and then we have to write the answers. So here is the steps like that. first of all, take any two numbers that represent a quantity you want to use. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो क्वांटिटी यूज़ करनी है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड एंड numbers we have to find. So here is the numbers is 35,677 and then adults and 28,492 children are there. Okay, this one is a numbers. Then we have to choose the keywords. If we are doing the addition, how to use the addition, what problems are here. So whenever we will start the addition, so there is some keywords about the additions. उसके कुछ keywords है additions के. So which one is that? वो कौन सा है? So that keywords is choose, from, add, join, total, in all, sum, together, combine, increase and all together, like that. So here we will use the choose total. What we have to choose here? Total number. Okay. Now using the numbers and keywords in a question, when we are using the numbers and keywords in a questions to make a question, उसके बाद हमें क्या बनाना है? We have to make the question. But in this additions, whenever we start the additions, no need to importance the order. If we are writing the smaller number first and then we have to write the bigger number, so not the issue for that. So the order is not importance, but that sentence should be additions one is there. Okay, sentence जो हम बनाएंगे, whatever questions we have to make, that questions like additions होना चाहिए उसमें. ठीक है, that is the important things. So here there are the 35,677 adults and the 28,492 children in the stadiums. कोई एक स्टेडियम्स है, वहाँ पे बड़े बच्चे वो 35,677 है and the children are the 28,492 है. ठीक है. So find the total number. उसमें हमें क्या करना है? टोटल नंबर्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द पीपल्स इन द स्टेडियम. स्टेडियम से टोटल कितने पर्सन है, पीपल्स है, वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू राइट द बिगर नंबर फर्स्ट एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट द स्मॉलर नंबर. नाउ सेकेंड वन क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. There are the 28,492 children and the 35,677 adults in the stadiums. Find the total number of the peoples in the stadiums. So like that also we have to write, not an issue for that, but we have to careful about the choosing. Whenever we are choosing the keywords, that is important things. And you have to fix your mind whenever do the framing addition. Whenever we are doing the framing addition, जब भी हम framing addition करेंगे, at that time we have to use the keywords like that. कौन से keywords हम use करेंगे? We have to use like that: add, join, total, in all, sum, together, combine, increase and all together, like that. Okay. So I hope so students, these things you have to understand easily. Okay. Now next one, how to frame the subtraction word problems. So in the subtraction, same things we have to follow, but here is a change the subtraction keywords, and more important things is here is we have to follow the orders also. We have to follow the orders. The orders is also important. So let's see that things also. So students, here is the take away two numbers that represent the quantity you want to use. First of all, we have to represent the quantity we have to use. So here is the quantity is 35,677 mangoes and 28,492 mangoes. This one is a quantity. Okay. Now whenever we are using the subtraction word problems, at the time we have to use a choose from subtract. So here is some keywords are there about the subtractions keywords. So whenever you have to make one framing word problems of the subtraction, at that time you use this types of keywords like that: take away, remain, difference, left, give away, gave away, give back, deduct, how many, more, less than, more than, and less than, like that. You have to using this keywords. So here we have to use the either than, take away, or left. Both the things if you are using, then it doesn't matter for that. Okay, वो भी हो सकता है. Now third step is use the numbers and keywords to make the question. अभी क्वेश्चन बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? We have to make the numbers and keywords. So whenever you have to make the numbers and keywords in the framing subtraction word problems, at that time you have to follow the highest importance of the orders. You have to follow the orders also. So the orders is important. It is always important to see that the smaller number that subtract from the bigger number, smaller number और bigger number से subtract होना चाहिए. That we have to always fix in our mind. So there were 35,677 mangoes in the market and 28,492 mangoes were taken away. So how many mangoes are left? अभी कितने mangoes बाकी है वो हमें find करना है. So students, I hope so you are understand that things. What is the framing word problems? What is the frame addition word problems, and what is the frame subtraction word problems? So now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 6. That worksheet you have to complete it and send it to me, this worksheet, before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. Before 1:30 you have to complete this worksheet and send it to me. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.